Hello world, welcome to codingscientist.com. We are on project number 5 or lesson number 5. This is getting interesting, guys. So in continuation to the previous lessons where we generated stories and stuff like that using random module, in this lesson on a similar way, similar kind of code, but little the logic will be a little different. We are going to generate password. So that is why this project name is called Funny Python Password Generator. So basically, to create a password in Python, we need to create a program that takes a length of password and generates a random password of the same length. You can just give an input as say 2, 3, 4, or 5. It will just generate an output, a random output with a combination of letters, words, and symbols, etc. to show you the password. So let me just show you the IDE and you will understand what exactly this code is all about. Here you go. So if you take a look at all these 5 lines of code, basically we are declaring a string of numbers after importing the random module, and then the uppercase plus a lowercase, and we are adding a special character. So take a random sample of the string of a length given by the user, right? You can input a length, what length you want, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, or 100, right? So in this particular code, first I imported random module in Python, and then I asked for the user input for the length of password. Then I stored the letters, numbers, and special characters that want to be considered while generating the password. That's very important, right? Then what I'm doing is random sampling by joining the length of the password together, attaching. If you look at the code, the random module basically takes the sample and then it joins the length of the password, and it generates a random value which is as an output. You can use that as a password. So there are few areas, of course, as I said before, you can improvise on this particular code. All right, this is the basic structure, but at the basic level it meets many secure password generation requirements in today's standards. Let's run this code quickly, guys, and see a quick demo. Let me run this code, and it says okay, enter the length of the password. So let me enter say 8. All right, can you see a random password with a symbol and 2POUSCK. Now let me kill this code and run this again. Enter the length of the password, let me say 5. Okay, there you go. You can see, it's randomly generating multiple password. Let me give a lengthy one, say 10. There you go, guys. Can you see the output? So this is fantastic. So as I said, you can improvise on this code, use this structure and keep adding. You can actually combine the story generator and the password generator together and build some cool application. I can give you some ideas, guys. All right, so that's it for this lesson. I will come back to you soon with many more projects. Bye bye.